Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you the ultimate guide to PrizePicks, everything you need to know. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So before beginning, you need to know about PrizePicks. PrizePicks is a daily fantasy sports betting platform where users select player performance for specific stat lines, example points, rebounds, assists or etc. and place entries based on those selections. Unlike traditional sport books, PrizePicks focuses on player props and doesn't involve team-based betting or point spreads. In order to place a bet, what you need to do is sign up or create an account, choose your sport like NBA, NFL, MLB and so on, select players and stat lines, create an entry and then place your bet. Types of entries are flex play and power play. Flex play is one or more of your selections is incorrect, you'll still win a smaller payout. Power play is all of your selections must be correct to win, but the payout is higher. Number third is PrizePicks payout structure. PrizePicks offers different payout multipliers depending on how many picks you select and whether you use a flex or power play. 2-pick entry, so the payout structures are 2-pick entry, 3-pick entry, 4-pick entry, 5-pick entry and 6-pick entry. Now next is PrizePicks sports offered. PrizePicks covers a wide range of sports and player categories like NBA, NFL, MLB, NHL, PGA and esports as well. Now next is PrizePicks scoring system. PrizePicks use a simple scoring system for different player props and the payouts depending on number of picks in your slip and the type of entry you choose. For instance, flex play, lower payout but allows flexibility in case of your selection doesn't hit. Power play is higher payout but all selection must hit if you win. And then next is PrizePicks bonus and promotions. You'll be getting welcome bonuses if you are new to the PrizePicks. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.